guys, April 29, 2021. Anyway, I gotta go change that oil gauge on that the low style tank down inside the crawl space with all the grave crickets. I got another gauge, so I'm gonna go over there and do some other work for us. So I'm gonna probably swap out the gauge while I'm there. It's easy enough to do. Gonna bring some pipe dope down here, a big wrench, and swap it out. It's not rocket science. We're not working on a space shuttle here, Mama. That's the one I need. That's the 14503, 1.5 2 inch. That's for the horizontal. See it? 1.5 2 inch. And that should be 1.5 inches in there. So I'm gonna back that out. You can tell it's just probably all full of schmag. See how it's sinking slowly? Well, we'll put a new one in it. I ain't gonna play around with it. Off like a prom dress, Mama. Off like a prom dress. Oh man, oh dear, look at this. Yeehaw. Ooh. 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 That was a big wad on there. Never a dull moment, Mom. Never a dull moment, Mama. This one you could take apart. This one's got an arrow on it where this needs to go. Got an O-ring. Some parts here, and there's an arrow which way this, once you're all done, which way this wants to go. I probably could have just cleaned the other one, but I'd rather not take a chance, just put a new one on there. Cheap enough. Seeing all the shit on there, imagine what the bottom of the tank looks like. Oh man, dear. And the O-ring, this goes in like this, and there's an arrow which way that's going to go. But you got to remember, when you tighten this up, it's going to want to spin, so you got to go a little bit more. that one didn't spin on me. Usually they do. There you go, Mama. Here it is, Mama. There it is. Next level. Like I said, better off just putting a brand new one, play around with the old shit. It's all mucky anyway. There you go. That's a horizontal tank. The vertical tank will stand straight up, right? So they're different.